The third method for avoiding jogs when you're changing colors and stripes is to do either a knit one below or a lift, slip, knit two together. And to do this method, you just simply start knitting at the beginning of the round with your new color. And then when you get back to the beginning of the round with the new color, you either do a knit one below, which is done by just simply slipping into this stitch and then knitting through it. That's a typical knit one below. Now some folks find that, some knitters find that a little bit hard to do because of this yarn tail back here. And so the other way to accomplish that is to lift the leg of the stitch below up onto the needle and then knit the two stitches together. Now this then becomes the end of your round, and the beginning of the round starts here. So you need to move your marker over one stitch, and then you just continue knitting until the next color change. This video is part of my Learn to Knit series of tutorials. If you found this video educational and helpful, please subscribe to my channel where you will find my Learn to Knit playlist, which covers the basic techniques new knitters need to learn.